Hey, what's up? This is Luke Kubow from myimplace.com, and in this short video I'm gonna tell you what's the most powerful medium ever and why you should start using it right now to boost your sales, to boost your conversion, to boost your business, to grow your followers base, pretty much for any kind of promotion. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll have something cool for you. Let's check it out. The most powerful type of content is video. People in general rather like to watch than read. This is why cinema, television, Netflix, etc. got so successful. This is why YouTube is the second largest search engine of the world. And this is why you're watching this video right now instead of reading some article. The good news is that it's really easy to create a professional promotional video these days, and you don't even have to have a camera. I'll be talking about the video production and video promotion in my next videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any updates. Now let's take a look at the 9 powerful benefits of video marketing for business and for pretty much any kind of promotion you can imagine.
Benefit number 1. We said this earlier, people love to watch. According to Cisco, a whopping 90% of all internet traffic will be streaming video by the end of this year. YouTube is ranked as the 3rd most visited site globally, behind Google and Facebook, and currently gets over 3 billion views per day. That's 30 million visitors per day. Businesses around the world take advantage of this free traffic source, and you can take a slice of this cake for you as well. Benefit number 2. Video builds authority and trust. 58% of consumers consider companies that use video content to be more trustworthy. Authority and trust are very important sales factors. People don't buy from companies they don't trust, and having a video is one of the best ways to fix it. Benefit number 3. Video builds connection with your audience. 71% of consumers say that videos leave a positive impression of a company. People follow people and companies they like. This is why huge brands use every possible channel to show their video commercials. They know how powerful the video is and how easy it builds the connection. Benefit number 4. Video engages even the laziest buyers. 77% of consumers consider companies that create online video as more engaged with customers. If you want to build a brand, you need to engage people. Otherwise, they will scroll down and something else will grab their attention. Benefit number 5. Yes, exactly. Attention. Video is eye-catching and grabs attention. Having somebody's attention is absolutely crucial. If they don't listen to you, they don't care. So make sure you to grab attention. Use videos. It's easy. Benefit number 6. Search engine optimization. Google loves videos because Google owns YouTube. Videos rank higher and faster than websites, and when a video is placed on a website, it keeps the visitors on the site while they watch it. Also, Google perceive YouTube videos as high-quality content, so it additionally helps websites having videos as parts of their content. Benefit number 7. Video gets shares. People share videos a lot, and you want to take advantage of this free, viral traffic. Benefit number 8. Video boosts conversion and click-through rate. Even using the word video in an email subject line boosts open rates by 19% and click-through rates by 65%. Also, the click-through rate in search engine results is boosted. While searching for some information on Google, what do you think is more tempting to click, some line of text, or a colorful video thumbnail? I guess you're getting the idea. Benefit number 9. Video sells. It sells in general. By summing up all of the advantages we just mentioned, as well as literally sells, having a video on your sales page is a must. It explains a product or service in an easy and effortless way, and convince viewers to buy, to subscribe, to follow, etc.
As you can see, video is the king, and having a video is pretty much a standard these days. This is why you should start using video right now to boost your conversions, to boost your sales, to promote your business, to grow your followers base, for whatever you want to promote. And you don't even have to be at the front of the camera. I'll be talking about the video production and video promotion in my next videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any updates. This has been Luke Kubow. Take care.